Okay, hello everybody. Welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing of the Volvo dump truck. So, as we were going on, we were going through this box. Yeah, so, remember the first bag with a lot of gears. Some tire rims and stuff, and a special printed piece for the arches. And bag number 1, the big one. I bet you that's when we're restarting.
Look at all that stuff.
Tires? Now this one has 6 tires, so.
6 tires, yeah. Good size ones too. Look at those.
Yeah. Another bag one with all the differential stuff and
Transmission stuff.
Yeah. This one is changing of the gear stuff.
Oh, that's the transmission stuff.
Yeah. It had a differential stuff.
Yeah. Look at all that.
Look, there's one more big thing in there. And pins and other stuff. And that's the unboxing of the Volvo dump truck.
Thank
you, people.
Look at all those pieces.
Yeah.
You're gonna go insane. Edit?
Yeah.
I gotta say so long.
So long, and see you next time.